What's up, everybody? I am headed to Cars and Coffee here in Sierra Vista down at Broxton's. I'm running a little late because I kind of last minute decided to go, but we're on our way, so let's roll in to a little montage of the cars at Broxton.
Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that I'm counting days until the second glow. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, just start to top the notes. It's all you need to do.
So we just finished Cars and Coffee, and that was fun. Got some footage, and I got invited to check out. There's another car meet tonight out at the Valero here, so we're gonna see the rest of the Sierra Vista car scene tonight at the Valero. So let's fast forward to then. Here, car meet at night.
Inside the book that I wrote, or all the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay it down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, the sliver in the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire.
This is random wheel here. Hey, do it again, do it again! Alright. Who doesn't love it? Civic on Hydro. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Fun, dude.
I missed the three-wheel, but that was rad.
Might have noticed it without video. I'd have done it again.
You can.
I'll
You still can.
do it here in a minute.
I'm Ben.
Daniel, how's
Nice
it
to
going,
meet you,
man?
Daniel. So he's gonna oblige our request to do another three-wheel. When I was talking to you before, you were telling me that you needed a new window.
Yeah.
So okay, what was the process like to get a window?
I had to use a proxy service, and I used from Japan and stuff. I like them a lot.
So you had a new window from Japan?
It's actually China. It's actually China. It's a Fumieo
So like
or
how
whatever.
much? Can I ask how much
Yeah.
it was?
It's so funny. It was $75 for the windshield.
Okay.
And $600 for shipping.
Oh Jesus!
Yeah.
Okay, so it was okay. I had a feeling it was going to be expensive because like having an imported car, things like that could be a pain. I don't know. Maybe one day like there'll be enough Skylines and Laurels here that like glass companies might stock that shit.
Yeah, it's funny. I called Safe Light to ask them like, hey, can you put this window on for me? Like, cause I could probably do it, but it would be messy and stuff, and I've
Right.
I've never actually tried before, so.
It's not worth it when you just spend $600 on a window, right?
Yeah, so like it's so funny because I called them at first and they were like, hell no, we ain't doing that stuff and everything, and then like I had to talk to them and kind of come up with
Right.
with a deal and stuff. Like I won't get insurance for it, just put it on, please.
All right. So apparently, I don't know if you just heard, but this thing makes 771 horsepower. Is that right? 772, because those 2 horsepower definitely matter. Everybody.
I work 24/7. But sleeve 2.0, mainly I-beam rods, CP pistons, has a 67mm turbo, dual 38 wastegates, full fuel system, -8 feet, -6 return, ID 2000s, 42.5 pounds of boost.
42.5 pounds of boost. Dude, this thing rips.
That's pretty much about it.
Sick.
Solid drivetrain, transmission stock, transfer case stock, or drift stock. Just mounts, that's it.
I've not been in a 700 horsepower Evo. I would love to go for a ride.
You wanna go?
Yeah, seriously.
Jump in?
All right. 42 pounds of boost. Fucking 4G. Is it a 4G? No.
No, it's a 4B11T.
And it's aluminum block on these, right?
Yeah, it's aluminum block. I have Darton mid-wet sleeves, so they're iron sleeves.
Okay.
So strengthens the block a little bit.
It's pretty good. I'm sure when you get in the higher gears, it really. thing is fucking monstrous. Oh, so yeah, it was probably pulling a couple hundred horsepower. Sweet.
Turn around, do a pull on the way back.
Oh shit, dude. This thing doesn't get old, does it?
No.
So how long have you had it in this like current setup?
Where it's at right now, about 2 weeks.
Okay.
I've had the car for about five years now.
Okay. Cool.
Been all the valves on the last motor. It was fully stock, made 471 with a stock motor, just all bolt-ons, and just went nuts on this one. Well, actually, fuck it. I'll try to launch it.
Well, don't break anything. I know that all-wheel drive life. Here we go. Yes. The Sierra Vista is not lacking for sick cars. You said you're on E85, right?
Torco.
Torco.
So it's 85% ethanol mixed with 100 octane.
Okay. Yeah, I can smell the corn.
Yeah.
This thing is a monster. Thank you, man.
No problem.
Okay, just got back home. That was fun. I am very glad that I went out. I was second guessing it, but no, I'm very glad that I went out. That was fun. That Evo was beyond ridiculous. So I'm going to end this one here. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, guys. It really, really, really helps grow the channel. And right now I need all the help I can get. I'm going to keep trying to pump out awesome content for you guys. So on that note, catch you next time.